Meaning of gannet.
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 Gannet. A gannet is a type of seabird that belongs to the family Sulidae and genus Morus. It is characterized by its long, pointed wings, streamlined body, and sharp beak. Gannets are known for their exceptional diving abilities, diving from heights of up to 40 meters to catch fish underwater. They breed on coastal cliffs and islands, forming large colonies. The name gannet comes from the Old English word gannet, which means strong or masculine bird. These birds play an important role in marine ecosystems, as they help regulate fish populations and serve as indicators of ocean health.